Hello friends, welcome to Bright Tag Design. In today's video we're going to create this kind of picture, and I'll show you exactly how you can make it step by step. So let's get started, but before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorials. So first of all, I select this picture. Then I choose the Flood Select tool and simply click on the picture. It automatically makes the selection for us. But as you can see in this picture, the shadow area hasn't been selected properly. So for that, I select the brush tool and then carefully paint over the missing area to include it in the selection. After making the selection, I click on Refine, and it automatically refines the edges for a smoother result. Then I click on Apply, and after that, when I press Delete, the background is removed completely. Next, I go to Pixel Persona, and under Pixel Selection, I press Deselect to remove the selection. Now I come back to the Pixel Persona, create a new fill layer, and drag it below the banana image. After that, I select the Text tool, click here, and set the text size to 288 points. Then I type the word banana. Next, I select the Pick tool, and from here, I change the font style to something that fits better. I then position the text properly on top of the picture to make it look balanced. Now I switch to the Vector Persona, and inside that, I create a new warp group and select Quad Mode. Then I carefully adjust the nodes to match the curves of the banana nicely. After that, I also go to Curves and make a few curve adjustments from the top as well to make it more natural. Then I hold Ctrl and left click on the warp group to check the selection, and from here, you can easily review how it looks. Once satisfied, I select the warp group and delete it since we've already got the desired effect. Next, I right-click on the banana picture and choose Duplicate to make a copy. Then I add a mask layer to it. To check the effect, I turn off the toggle for the layer below. After that, I also add a mask layer to the lower picture. Make sure that the mask layer for the lower image is white, so everything remains visible. Now I select the Brush tool, go to Brushes, and under Basic Brushes, I choose this one. You'll also see its live preview here. Then I carefully start painting over it, taking my time to get smooth and natural results. Once everything looks perfect, I select both layers together in the Layers panel. Then I right-click and choose Merge Selected to combine them into one. And that's it. This is how you can easily create this beautiful picture. So, how did you like this video? If you enjoyed it and want to see more interesting tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.